Hi everybody, this video shows my recent encounter with a lesser dog-faced fruit bat. It was 5 p.m. and I was heading out for a jog. As I stepped out of the house, something fluttered across my head and roosted on the fiddle-leaf fig tree. On closer look, I saw a lesser dog-faced fruit bat staring innocently at me. You can see that it's more curious than frightened by my inquisitive stares and camera shoot. You can see some of its features, the ears, the big eyes, and the white wing bones. The lesser dog-faced fruit bat is also known as the lesser short-nosed fruit bat. You can recognize it from its white wing bones, white ear edges, large eyes, and prominent tubular nostril. An adult may weigh about 45 grams and stand up to 127 mm tall, with wingspan up to 370 mm. Its large eyes provide excellent vision, and it does not require echolocation for navigation in the twilight. Mama bat gives birth to one young, which weighs about 11 grams at birth. She carries her young with her all the time, even as she flies for about 45 to 50 days. So Mama bat easily has more than 20% extra load when nursing her young. This photo is taken at Lower Pierce Reservoir Park. By day, it broods under shaded trees, sometimes underneath a protective cover of ferns or palm leaves, or near the entrance of caves. You usually find several bats, 6 to 12, roosting together. Uniquely, they can create a shelter out of a palm leaf by biting the ribs off. So portion of the leaf droop to form an umbrella shelter. So what do they eat? Fruits. A fruit bat may travel nearly 100 kilometers in a single night to feed on fruiting trees. They forage with their acute sense of smell and navigate with their keen vision. It prefers aromatic fruits, especially mangoes. The bats feed mainly on small fruits by sucking out the juices and soft pulp. They mash the fruits in their mouth, drink the juice, and spit out the pulp. Thus they are kind of like flying fruit juicer, but they do swallow small fruits and thus help disperse the seeds of many pioneer forest trees. They also eat nectar and pollen. This fruit bat has a lifespan of 20 to 30 years. Generally brown, the male has a reddish dark orange collar, while the female has a yellowish collar. This only offers a general guide, as under different lighting conditions and situations, you may not be able to tell for sure the color of their collared fur. Why bats matter? The lesser dog-faced fruit bat is an important seed disperser and also a plant pollinator. It is able to retain viable seeds in gut for more than 12 hours, allowing long-distance seed dispersal. Bats, like many other animal species, are part of an indicator of biodiversity. They are pollinators, seed disperser, and reforester. For some species, you can also call them the pest controller. If you notice fruit cores, droppings, pellets around fruit trees or palm trees, this lesser dog-faced fruit bat is probably nearby. Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve Visitor Centers. This is probably where you can see them. Just look up for them. Can you tell which is the male bat? It is quite common to see a male bat with a harem of female bats. This visiting guest I encountered is probably a young male juvenile roosting alone. Its collared fur is still not fully developed. Thank you for viewing. Hope you enjoyed the introduction.